Hi everyone! Today we're going to be continuing to do subtraction by taking away 10 first. In today's lesson we're going to be using pictures to help us. Our star words are tens, ones, how many, subtract, count back and number sentence. So see how many of those words you can use throughout the lesson. Okay. Let's start with a power up to warm up those brains. Here we've got some number sentences with some missing numbers. What I would like you to do is pause the video and have a go to see if you can work out the answers. Now, all of these questions have something in common. See if you can figure out what it is. Pause the video now. Have you done that? Amazing. Let's go through the answers together. Right, let's look at our first question. Our first question is saying 4 plus something equals 10. Now, those numbers are reminding me of something. Have they reminded you of something? Amazing. We can use our number bonds to 10 to help us find the answer. So have a think. What do you need to add to 4 to make 10? That's right. 6 and 4 make 10. Good job. Right, let's look at our next one. Our next one, we've got one counter and we need to add 9 counters. Does that sound familiar to you? 1 and 9, what would that make without counting them all together? Brilliant. We know 1 and 9 is another number bond to 10. So the answer is 10. Good job for finding that. Right, our next one, 10 take away 9 equals what? Now we've just done 1 plus 9 equals 10. Now we've got 10 take away 9. Can we use any of the information we've just talked about to help us? Superstar. The answer must be 1, because if 1 plus 9 equals 10, then 10 take away 9 must equal 1. Well done, and superstars for spotting that our number bonds to 10 would help us here. Okay, let's discover today's learning. We'll start by reading our question. There are 18 birds in a tree. 13 birds fly away. How many birds are left in the tree? So, let's start by turning this into a number sentence. If birds are flying away, what do we think we're going to be doing? Are we going to be adding or taking away? That's right, we're going to be taking away. So, see if you can pause the video here and tell the person you're with what number sentence we could write with this information. Have you done that? Amazing, let's check. So, we've got 18 for the 18 birds that start in the tree. Then we're taking away 13 for the 13 birds who are going to fly away. Now, let's see if we can remember to yesterday how we can make this easier. So, at the moment, if we took away 13 and crossed out 13 one by one, that would take us a really, really long time. So instead, we could partition 13. Let's see if we could do that now. So we'll put 13 in there. Do you remember what we could partition 13 into? That's right, we can put it into tens and ones. And I know that the number 13 has a group of 10 and 3 ones. So that would be a good way to partition 13. Now, we can start by taking away this group of 10. So if I look into my tree at my birds, I can see I've got 10 birds here at the top and then 8 birds here at the bottom. So I'm going to take away all of those 10 in one go. Are you ready? Let's do that. Here we go. I've crossed all 10 of them out. Now let's look back to our partitioned number. So we've taken away 10. Do you know what we have to take away now? That's right, we're going to have to take away this 3 as well. So I'm going to have to take away 3 from my group of 8. You ready? There we go, I've crossed out 3 birds. Now that I've taken away 13, what do I need to do to find the answer? That's right, I need to count how many are left. Can you help me do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 left. So my answer must be 5. Great job. Okay, let's think together to do another one of these. Jack has 15 eggs. He dropped them and 11 break. How many eggs are not broken? Also, I can see the 15 eggs that Jack has. Here we go, there's a group of 10 and 5 ones. Now, in my question, it tells me that 11 of them are going to break. Do you think you could pause the video and tell the person you're with the number sentence we could write for this? Have you done that? Superstar. Let's check that number sentence. Here we go, so we've got 15 representing the 15 eggs we start with, then we take away 11 because 11 of them will break. Now I've got my picture here to help. As we've discussed before, if I start crossing out 11 eggs, that could take me quite a while. Do you remember what we could do to 11 to make it easier? Amazing, we can partition 11. So let's put 11 into our part whole model. There it goes. Can you tell me, what could we partition 11 into? Brilliant, we can put it into 10s and 1s. That way it will make it easier. So I know 11 has a group of 10, there's my 10 there, and 1 1. So I'll put that 1 in there too. Now we're going to take those 11 away, and it makes it so much easier because when I take away this group of 10, I can just do it in one big cross because I have a group of 10 here. So, you ready? Let's take away those 10. Fantastic. Now, can we finish here? No, you're right. We've taken away 10. But our question was asking us to take away 11. So we still need to take away this one here. So you ready? We're just going to take away 1 egg from the eggs that remain. There we go. 1. We've crossed that one out too. Now what do I need to do to find the answer? Incredible. I need to count how many eggs are left. So you ready? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 eggs left. So what must my answer be? That's right, my answer must be 4. Are you ready to do this one last time? Okay, there are 19 sweets. Miss Bravery eats 16 sweets. How many remain? Oh my goodness, Miss Bravery must have been feeling really, really hungry today. She's eaten 16 sweets. Now, what is the first thing we're going to need to do? Well done. The first thing we need to do is write that into a number sentence to help us. So, do you think you can spot the important information and tell me what the number sentence is? You can pause the video now and have a little think. Have you done that? Brilliant. Let's check your number sentence. 19 take away 16. Did you get that? Amazing. That's the 19 sweets that we start with, and then the 16 that Miss Bravery is going to eat. Now, remind me, what do I need to do next? Well done. The next thing that I need to do is partition 16 to make it easier to take away. So I can see I've already got my 19 sweets here. I don't need to count them. I don't need to count them out. I've already got them. So I need to partition 16. Are you ready? Let's put 16 in our part whole model. Fantastic. Now, what can we partition 16 into? Well done. We need to put it into 10s and 1s. That will be a really easy way to help us take them away. So we've got a group of 10 in 16. Then how many 1s? That's right, there are 6 ones in 16. So now I can take away a big group of 10 and then 6 ones. So you ready? I'm going to take away this group of 10 here in the jar first. So I'm going to cross them all out. There they go. I've now taken away 10. Now, is this the part where I'm going to count how many are left? Fantastic. No, I've taken away my group of 10, but I now need to take away this 6 because we weren't taking away 10, we were taking away 16. Right, are you ready? I'm going to take away this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to take away those 6. Go, we've crossed them out. Now, I've taken away 16. What do I need to do to find the answer? Brilliant. I need to count how many are left. You ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 left. Well done. Now have a little think. What happened every single time we took away? Were the amounts getting bigger or were the amounts getting smaller? Brilliant. The amounts were getting smaller. So make sure when you're doing this in your work in a moment that your amount is getting smaller and not bigger, because today we are subtracting. Let's see what you have to do. Your task for today is in your workbook. Draw the pictures that you can see on screen. You'll notice they've been grouped into 10s and 1s already for you. Then read the question and take away. Make sure when you're taking away you partition your number first into 10s and 1s, as this will help you. The first one has already been done for you. See here, I started with 15 lollipop sticks. Then I partitioned 12 into a group of 10 and 2 1s and took away this group of 10 and 2 lollipop sticks over here. Then I counted how many were left. 1, 2, 3. And that was my answer. Have a go at doing that in your books. Your challenge for today is, can you draw a number line to find the answer to 14 take away 3? Now give it a go, but don't worry if you find it a little bit difficult. We are going to be having a look at taking away using a number line tomorrow. Don't forget to send the pictures of your amazing work to your teacher. Great job, Year 1. You have done fantastically. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.